Hello, my friend. Welcome back for speaking English for every single day. And I'm so very happy to have you back on this practicing, you know, storytelling for every single day. And today, I would be your storyteller who we're going to tell a little bit story. So the story is about the activity when was holiday. Yeah. And back then, in last 2 days, we were going to a place that we've never visited before. You know what? Kawaratu. So Kawaratu is quite popular on social media, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and and so on. And we were we visiting the place together with my beloved friends, not my friend from my coworker, but my friends from when I was in a college. So they are truly my friends, and also we've been together, hanging out together frequently along in our life. And yeah, but I would like to tell you as well in the beginning why we would visit that place before. So I said before, Kawaratu is quite popular on social media, and one of my friends uh, is quite quite so excited to explore something. So that's why he might be find a place or anything that stick his mind, that take his mind, and then he show us the place. Wow. And then he said to us, guys, you know what, I have something to tell you a little about a place, about something that would make you uh, fresh and also feel calmly for a while. Okay, so show us. So we were so excited to uh, wanna see that, and then he show us the thing or the place the stick his mind, and then oh everything. We were so thunderstruck as well for the first time in the beginning after we saw the after we saw the scene, the view of Kawaratu from social media, also from scene of video. So at the first sight, we were so excited. We were so very uh, thunderstruck, and and we would be and we would visit it as soon as possible. But we will have to plan it before. So 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 that's why at first we plan it together. We organize our time. Uh we were discussing if anyone have something like busy or anything. And fortunately, that time was holiday. That time was holiday, so everyone uh had no something that uh that stopped us, and we so very gratitude for that. So unconscious, and then we start to do like a plan, and then start to make a start to talk about motorbike that we would use to hike the mountain or Kawaratu. So uh, we end up by rent three motors in once. So we were we were going through a way through a hill, up down of the hill, and it was so really really memory, and also like all the memory are sticking on my mind for nowadays. So wow, I wish I go back to in time, and then yeah, enjoy it again. So wow, I think that place is really nice to visit, and also wow, I would like to visit it uh, in later maybe. Okay, after we book the motorbike, we continue our our journey, and the traveling was really nice, and we gratitude as well to the God because we were all safe. So so our journey end up with was very nice. So we also really happy at that time, that moment. So yeah, I think that's my story to all of you, and it was heartwarming. Thank you.